Do you love garlic like I do?
Cooking plant forward. More plants, more flavor, no rules.
Tzatziki. Traditional Greek dipping sauce, but we can be used for a lot of different things. Very simple to make, just 5 simple ingredients here. And I'm going to show you here how to make it and how quick it is. It's very easy. First things first, we're going to take these cucumbers and we're going to peel them. Now, there's a couple different ways we can do this here. I like to chop them up and put them in the food processor because I like my tzatziki to be nice and creamy and smooth. You can use a knife and chop them up if you want to, but I like mine nice and creamy. So, put it into a cheesecloth. Squeeze it hard, get all that juice out of there. Don't waste this juice. It's so delicious. It can be used in so many different ways. So put that off to the side. Most of the time I just drink it. You can put it in an ice tray, put it in the freezer, toss it in your water. Just don't waste it. Now we're going to take a quart of Greek yogurt. I use regular Greek yogurt. I don't really like the non-fat stuff, but that's up to you. Now this dill here, I take all those stems out of there because again, I like this to be creamy. I don't want to be chewing on my tzatziki. Lots of flavor here, so the whole pack of dill. Now garlic, I use 5 cloves and I press them because that just really brings out that garlic flavor a lot. 5 it's quite a bit of garlic, so if you are, maybe you're not as much of a garlic lover as me, you can tone that down a little bit. That's okay too. Just play with it. Now with the lemon, I zest it as well as squeeze it all the way in there. Just the whole thing, as much as I can get. Love that acidic flavor in there as well. Just a great addition. Go ahead and add that squeezed cucumber in, a little salt and pepper, maybe like a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're just going to mix this up. It's very easy. You just want to make sure that, again, it's mixed thoroughly. No chunks, anything like that. Super easy. Now cover it, put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This really needs time for the flavor to develop. The more, the better. Overnight is best, but as soon as it's cold, it's delicious. Now, serve it with some vegetables, put it on a sandwich. Unlimited amount of things you can do with this. Enjoy!